Hair everywhere. Sound familiar? If you find yourself constantly vacuuming because of your dog's massive amounts of shedding, then you've come to the right place. Where dog brushes simply groom your dog's fur, a dog hair remover physically extracts excess hair. Nothing can remove 100% of the shedding. However, many of the brushes we reviewed claim to remove up to 90% of your dog's shedding fur. Why use a dog shedding brush? Removing excess hair helps canines stay cooler during the warmer months. They keep the house and your clothes hair-free. A dog shedding brush can eliminate tons of cleanup time. Plus, it keeps pets' coats looking spiffy. Now that you know what they are and why you should use them, let's take a look at our top pick for the best dog hair remover. The Deshedding brush by DakPets is our choice for the best dog brush for shedding. It offers 4-inch heavy-duty replaceable stainless steel pet comb. It's used to deshed, groom, and detangle pet fur all in one brush. The DakPets Deshedding tool also claims to reduce shedding up to 90%. One of the reasons they are our top pick is because so many consumers say that they've tested the DakPets brush and found it to be better. You can buy from DakPets directly through the links below this video.